Hello! In this video, we will check out on steps to integrate the multi-level commission add-on with Affiliate Press. Go to the Affiliate Press add-ons page. This is the Affiliate Press feature add-ons page. Now, activate the multi-level commission add-on. This add-on is activated. Now, click the Configure button. This is the General Settings page. Scroll down and see the multi-level commission enable this section. Affiliate Press provides two types of compensation plan. First is Unilevel, and the second is Forced Matrix. Also, the calculation method is two. First is commissions based on the total sale amount, and the second is commissions based on one's earnings. Here, you can set your affiliate tree width and depth. Now, click to Add New button and add multiple levels. Now, set the commission rate. Now, click the Save button and save your changes. How to create an affiliate tree. Go to the Affiliate User Affiliate panel. Now, open the Network tab. This is the network page. Copy this link and open it in another browser. See, this is the Affiliate Press sign-up page. Enter the basic details and click to Create Account button. Registration is now complete, and the user is redirected to the Affiliate Panel page. Go to the Parent Affiliate User panel and reload it. Open the Network tab and see the tree. A new user is added. Go to the Admin Side Affiliates page. For example, here I have created a new tree with multiple users. This is the Affiliate Press Affiliates page, where you can see all affiliate users' records. Now, click the MLM Affiliate Chart button. See, this is the multi-level chart. This is the width, and this is the depth. Now, using the newly added user link, purchase any product. Go to the front-end side and purchase the product. This is the WooCommerce checkout page. Enter contact information. Select Payment. Enter the card details and click to Place Order button. Order is done. Now, go to the Admin Panel Commissions page. This is the Manage Commission page. Here you can see all the commission-related records. Now, go to the Affiliates page. Now, see the MLM Affiliate Chart. Here, you can also see user-wise earnings in the chart.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.